Hi class 4, this is English Bulk and welcome back, and today we will do the question answers of all the book exercise of the lesson 9, The Encounter of Your Britannica series. Okay, this is the word imagination. Now turning to the book exercise. Okay, so first of all we have given some word meanings that you have to do in your homework and learn them. Then we have write T and true or false for the following. It was very windy day. Yes, it is windy day because क्योंकि नेहा की जो बुक के जो पेजेस हैं वो टर्न हो रहे थे विंड से. नेहा लाइक टू डे ड्रीम. नो, इट्स मेघा ना that like to daydream, so it's false. Next we have Megha was a curious girl. Absolutely right, true. The forest ground was covered with grey leaves. Yes, was covered with dry leaves. Yes, actually it is true, I think. Yeah, it's true. Megha essay was one of the best in the class. Yes. Next we have to number the sentence. I don't waste much time, I'll just tell you the numbers. Its first one is 7 sentence, 5, then 3, then first, then 2, then 6 and 4. So we all have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so next we have the exercise. Match the words in column and write the compound word. Compound words are the words which are made up of two words. The some words which we used all together, just like taxi, cab. Okay, overcoat we have space, ship, butterfly, sunset, door, bell, everything, homework, footstep. Now first of all what we are going to do, we just do the question answers of this chapter. Here we have, and I had already written them for you. So here we have, why didn't Megha want to go home right away? मेघा घर क्यों नहीं जाना चाहती थी? मेघा didn't want to go home right away because her mother would tell her to eat something and do her homework right then. क्योंकि जैसे ही वो घर जाती है वही रूटीन होता है रोज का, वही काम कि जब अभी कुछ खा लो और फिर अपना होमवर्क करने बैठ जाओ. दिस इज द थिंग, है ना. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी हैव सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वाज मेघाज फेवरेट पास टाइम? पास टाइम मीन्स टाइम पास, जो हम लोग बोलते हैं. Megha's favorite pastime was gazing at the sky and watching the clouds making different shapes. What was her favorite? टाइम पास करने के लिए क्या करती थी? इसको एक्चुअल वर्ड होता है पास टाइम, हम लोग इसको टाइम पास बोलते हैं. सो Megha's favorite pastime was gazing at the sky. Gazing मतलब देखते रहना, ऐसे ही देखते रहना किसी चीज़ को, स्टेयर करते रहना. Next question we have, what made her grumble loudly? Grumble means to कंप्लेन फॉर समथिंग, कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ, ये क्यों है, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है, इसको हम ग्रम्बल करना कहते हैं. सो द होमवर्क ऑफ राइटिंग एन एसे अबाउट एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. what the homework his teacher given to her is an amazing experience. So he have to write about an amazing experience. This made her grumble. She was assigned in the school. The homework that assigned in the school made her grumble loudly. Next we have, what were the sights that amused Megha and why? What were the sights? The shape of the clouds that looked like an elephant in skirt. Elephant wearing a skirt. उसको ऐसे दिख रही थी, जो बादलों की जो शेप थी, जब वो गेज कर रही थी स्काई पे, तो जो बादलों की शेप थी वो उसको ऐसे दिख रही थी. फर्स्ट शेप वॉज जस्ट लाइक एन एलिफेंट दैट वियरिंग अ स्कर्ट, तो दैट मेड हर गिगल ना, इससे उसको हंसी आ गई. नेक्स्ट शेप था अ बटरफ्लाई डांसिंग विद द ड्रैगन फ्लाई एंड अ डॉग विद अ जाइंट टेल अम्यूज्ड हर एंड मेड हर गिगल बिकॉज दे वर फनी साइट्स. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन वी हैव. Third one and first one. Now coming to the next page, we have fifth question, and that is this somewhat how lengthy. Why did Megha run into the woods? Woods means forest. अच्छा, wood हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? लकड़ी कहाँ से मिलती है? जंगलों से मिलती है ना. तो यहाँ पे वुड्स का मतलब फॉरेस्ट भी होता है कई बार. So, Megha saw a bright streak of gold darted across the sky towards the woods. Megha saw a bright streak of gold. एक चमकीली सी कुछ ऐसे स्ट्रीक सी लंबी सी कुछ ऐसे लाइन सी दिखाई दी गोल्डन कलर की, स्काई से आती हुई और वुड्स की तरफ जाती हुई उसको दिखाई दी. She started to imagine all kinds of things she thought that it could be. She just started imagining because she had a wild imagination. बहुत ज़्यादा imagine करती है चीज़ों को, तो वो imagine करने लगी. It might be a fallen star. So how beautiful it could be. A beautiful fairy, कोई परी भी हो सकती है golden गाउन पहनी हुई. And even a fire spitting dragon, या फिर कोई dragon हो सकता है जो आग उगलता है, आग को spit करता है. She ran into the woods to explore it. She ran into the woods to explore it. Remember children, if you have to write the short answer, तो इतना ही आंसर बहुत है इसका. But you have to explain somewhat how ना, तो आपने इतना लिखना पड़ेगा. Next question we have, describe the alien. Now that Megha encounter. Encounter means to be face to face to all together. ये पुलिस encounter नहीं है. Encounter means a sudden unexpected meeting. So alien के बारे में बताना है जिससे मेघा मिली थी. How did it reach the forest? और वो forest में कैसे पहुंचा? Answer, the alien was a terribly ugly. Now what things you have to remember? First thing, the alien is terribly ugly creature. Creature means living thing. जीव जो हम कहते हैं. टेरिबली अगली क्रिएचर विथ स्केली ग्रे स्किन. स्केली स्किन कैसी होती है? ऐसी ऐसी जो रेप्टाइल्स की स्किन होती है ना, ऐसे स्केल्स होते हैं उसमें, तो उसकी स्किन स्केली थी, ग्रे कलर की थी. ठीक है. पर्च्ड हाई, और एक ऊपर की तरफ जाती हुई एक आँख थी उसकी जो ब्लेज कर रही थी, चमक रही थी, रेड कलर की. पर्च्ड हाई ऑन इट्स हेड वॉज वन ब्लेजिंग रेड आई. इट ऑल्सो हैड ग्रे क्लॉज. ग्रे क्लॉज, उसके जो हाथ थे, उसके जो पंजे थे वो ग्रे कलर के थे. इट हैड रीच, नाउ इट हियर रिफर्स टू द एलियन. नाउ एलियन हैड रीच द फॉरेस्ट इन अ शाइनी राउंड ऑब्जेक्ट. एक स्पेसशिप था, वो राउंड ऑब्जेक्ट थी. द साइज ऑफ अ स्मॉल कार, जिसका साइज था एक छोटी सी कार जैसा, जैसे वो कार होती है ना, नैनो कार होती है छोटी सी, उस साइज का वो एक राउंड ऑब्जेक्ट था. Now think and answer. Later when no one was looking, Megha rolled up her sleeve to look at the scratch marks on her arm. Why did Megha look at her arm secretly? Now, why she does this? Because Megha felt that her teacher and classmate would not believe her story of an encounter with an alien. So she just rolled on it secretly. Next, had Megha really encountered an alien? When I asked students, most of the students said no, it's just her imagination. So I have written no, I think it is just her imagination. Third one, if the alien was not real, how do you think Megha got the scratch marks on her arms? Since Megha had a wild imagination, मेघा की जो imagination है बहुत wild है, बहुत ज़्यादा imagine कर लेती थी वो. It could be possible that the scratch was caused by some other object in the wood, but she choose to believe that it was caused by a monster's claws. Now, it's your homework children. You have to draw an alien, a monster, and you have to make sentence, find the meaning of these words. Believe me, if you do your homework, it would definitely increase your vocabulary. So 4 words I had searched. You have to just write down one sentence from these words and write their meaning searched in the dictionary. And they are grumbled, dozed, screamed, amused. Next exercise we have at page 99. Listen to and say the words from each column aloud. Circle the words where the sound of the letter A matches that of the highlighted words in the first row. Now what you have to do, you have to just see the sound of A. Now first word is stamp. So we have to just find out which words are resemble to this. So stamp, flag, grant. Next है wasp. Wasp का जो A है, wasp. Wasp, wall, wash. Game, blame, change, lady, taste. Card, must, grass, palm, part. Now turning to the page 100, okay, we reached the century, 100 page. Now you have to just unscramble the words, and first one is giggle, second disappear, third grumbled, scratched, imagine, pies. Next we have to do the preposition. Look at the pictures. There's a crocodile and it is inside na in. So the crocodile is in the basket. In the second picture, the crocodile is on the dustbin. The crocodile is under the chair. The crocodile is between two stones. So these all the words are the preposition that tell at the position, the place of the things. So the words that you fill are preposition showing position. They tell where something is, and they are called the prepositions of place. Now turning to the next page, I'll just made a video of the preposition. You go through it, and I'll just post the link also in the description, so that the preposition term should be clear to you. Underline the preposition of the place and direction in these sentences. Now we have to write P for the preposition of place and D for the preposition of direction. So first one, a little girl lay on a grassy lawn. Now on is the preposition, it is the preposition of place. She looked towards, sky ki taraf dekha, so it's a direction. The bright light in the sky made her curious. Again P in place. She ran into the woods. It again the preposition of direction. Leaves crumbled under someone's feet. Place, under. An alien stood behind her. Again behind, it's a place. It ran after the girl, after direction. Suddenly the girl found herself on the grass. P. Now see, only second, fourth and seventh are the preposition of direction. Rest all are the preposition of place. So you can use the crayon also. For direction you can use another color, and for place you can use another color. Okay, next turning to the next page. Megha leaves for school in the morning. After school she spent time watching the sky. She watches the clouds for an hour. Why we use for? Because this time is not specified, na? Actual time nahi diya. Fourth, she has to meet Miss Sophie at 5 p.m. Clock times के साथ में हम लोग at use करते हैं. Neha and Megha will go for party on. With the name of dates we use on as a preposition. Okay, so in, after, for, at, on. Next, just see some I just explained. The words in, on and at are the preposition of time. Let's learn how they are used. In for the parts of day. Parts of day कौन सा होता है? Evening, morning, afternoon, dawn. So इनके लिए in आता है ना, dawn or dusk. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So in for the months, years and seasons. In August, in 1947, in 2020, in summer. On for the specific dates and days. On date के साथ आता है और day के साथ आता है. At for the night time, at night. No, we can say in night. We have to say at night. At for specific times, at 10 a.m. Okay. Now turning to the fill in the blanks. Megha hears a story from grandpa at 8:30 p.m. Yesterday she had a scary dream early in the morning. Megha dreams not only at the night but during the day. Now grandpa has decided to tell her story only on Saturday nights. Megha always goes to grandma on time to listen to the stories. So at, in, at, on. Next we have okay, the students of Blue Mount School are invited to storytelling by Raj Shah. Okay, this is an invitation, no? So just see how we use the prepositions in any invitation card. On, at because it's the time. On, Monday, at, show time. Now in, on, again in, because the school manager in his office, it's a place, na? On the ground floor. Our school buses should be parked in the parking area. Gate number 1 and continue to walk along the left side of the building. Enter the premises through gate number 1. Okay, next you have to write the description of an alien and draw it. Now I just want to tell you some secret. Here we have the description of alien is written at last page of your book. It's the encounter. From there you can write, and have a nice day. Like and subscribe the channel English Bulk.